My name's Ben Arnold, and the name of the project is The Palms. And you may be familiar with The Palms on Main. We're rebranding the project to be The Palms with two towers, 1155 and 1105. The new building's 94,000 feet in a 6-level format with a 2,800 square foot restaurant on the bottom and 83 units of exceptional urban living, unlike Columbia has to date. It's predominantly it's 35% ones and 65% twos. We don't have 3 bedrooms, but it's not that large of a project, so we felt like we wanted to add more twos than what is typically done these days to complement the existing building. One thing is it has 8-foot windows, so it's going to have an urban feel, city living, I guess, characteristic to it. But also the technology's, front of the curve with smart locks, thermostats, and the finishes are going to be Class A.